Lifestyle diseases, these are very common diseases in our everyday life, and we need to be concerned about these lifestyle diseases. We can prevent these lifestyle diseases, we can keep ourselves healthy, and we can keep ourselves happy and healthy with just about the concerning about this topic, that what are lifestyle diseases and how can this lifestyle disease affect the human health. Okay, so right now in this video lecture I show you the what are the lifestyle diseases and some example of lifestyle diseases. So watch this discussion up to the end and understand the full topic of lifestyle diseases and its examples. Hello everybody, I am Atanu Betal. Before starting these discussions, I like to remind you that if you are watching this channel for the first time, or you are new to this channel, then you can subscribe this channel and press the bell button to get this type of new video upload notification. Lifestyle diseases are totally coming from or the result of the lifestyle where a person or a group of person lives. Means our living style is the main reason for these diseases, and these diseases can be prevented. These diseases can be prevented by the concern about of the lifestyle, and these diseases are means biggest concerning factor right now, because these are called biggest or giant diseases. Okay, and we can prevent these diseases by the concern, by taking concern or awareness of our own lifestyle. We can prevent these diseases. I am representing some lifestyle diseases here, like you can say PCOD, this is for the female, and hypertension, heart diseases, cancer, stroke, arthritis, and hormonal imbalance, anxiety, type 2 diabetes, obesity. These are the lifestyle diseases, example of lifestyle diseases. These lifestyle diseases are caused only by our lifestyle. Our living style is the main reason for these diseases development. For development of these diseases, the lifestyle is the main reason. So by concerning about our lifestyle, we can control these diseases, we can prevent these diseases, and these diseases are right now called as bigger lifestyle diseases, and these are the biggest threat to the human health. If we do not take concern about these diseases right now, what will happen? These diseases can kill us, they kill the human beings. So for this reason I am making this video discussions, that this is one of the most important topic right now, for the most important threat for the human health right now, and for this reason I am making this discussion and make a introduction with these diseases. You know, these are very common right now in our modern world, and why these diseases are coming right now in the modern lifestyle or modern world. This is due to that we consume more processed food. Next reason is the stress. We can reduce the stress, and by reduction of the stress level, we can save ourselves from this type of lifestyle diseases. Next example is smoking and drinking. Smoking and drinking is a biggest threat that can causes this lifestyle diseases. Okay, next is lack of sleep. Lack of sleep may also cause these type of lifestyle diseases, varieties of lifestyle diseases. So we need to focus on the proper sleeping. Another important thing is the inactivity. Inactivity is the biggest threat. Inactivity can cause these lifestyle diseases. Lack of socializing, you need to be socialized, because we are social, human beings are social, means social, we need to be socialized, otherwise we can face many mental problems. So, and unhealthy diet is another big reason for this lifestyle diseases. Unhealthy diet, so you have to take a healthy diet to prevent this type of unhealthy lifestyle diseases. Your healthy diet is very important, a very important factor to prevent these lifestyle diseases. So right now you can understand that what are lifestyle diseases and why this lifestyle diseases develops. Okay, these lifestyle diseases develops due to our behavior or our lives, our living style in daily life. And these lifestyle diseases causes means killing effect, you can say kill. These diseases can kill us, but we can make our future better, we can make our life better by making the concern about this lifestyle causing diseases. And why I am making this video, because I am trying to aware about this lifestyle causing diseases. What are lifestyle causing diseases are very important to know right now in this modern world, because we are facing lifestyle problem diseases. Very means very important to know this topic right now. Okay, so make a little more concern about the lifestyle causing diseases, concern about your lifestyle, and make a better future for you and for your family, because this is not about you. You can this is also about your family. If you are making yourself healthy, or your family making yourself healthy, that is the biggest achievement that you can think. When you and your family means wellness and health of you and your family is the biggest factor right now. So follow these guidelines, that why or how we can change our lifestyle, or how we can make a concern about our lifestyle to prevent these lifestyle diseases. So that is the discussions, and I finished this discussion. And after the end of these discussions, I would like to remind you that if you are watching this discussion first time from this channel, or watching any discussion from first time from this channel, then subscribe this channel and press the bell button to get new video upload notification. So that's the discussion. Thank you for watching the discussion.